Man, what's going on, everybody? This is Fragged Out, Swagged Out, and you already know what we got here. And it's for this Mind Games that I finally got. Just arrived, so we're gonna unbox it right now. Now, I'll tell you, I have smelled this fragrance already, so it's not gonna be no first impression, but it will be the unboxing. So let's get into it. Now, this is a very elaborate, detailed, a lot of little details throughout all of this. Even the textured slip right here over looks really nice. Black in contrast to the Prodigy one. And let's open this up. So right there, it has the photo, a little information of the perfumer, and put some of this here, which is super necessary because there's a lot of glass under there, so a little bit of protective measure. And then inside of here, gonna be some more of those, and you have all of the decants you can take from this bottle, 220 ml. Get it out with this, fill these up, and take those on the road with you. But look at that. And as you see, we're missing the atomizer up top. That's because these are going to be a little different. These right here are actually gonna have this applicator right here, which is a crystal. And essentially the same way you would assume you would do with a fragrance oil. And this is gonna go in here. And that's exactly how the presentation will be. But when you're going to apply, you just and apply. Now, I don't know if this 220 ml will ever run out, but I am glad that I have this amazing caramel, woody, oud fragrance. It's gourmand, it's sophisticated. It has some fruity accents, and at least in the opening, it becomes creamier. This is the full review is coming, but we just wanted to do some unboxing right now, show you this amazing presentation, and I'll be back later to talk about the actual fragrance in full. That's all we have today. Fragged out, swagged out, and we